Hi friends, welcome to Predict the Unpredictable. Today I am going to make a prediction for 2026 prelims examination. I have a firm belief that this question is going to come in the prelims examination, and I am going to do this using a recent question which has come in the CISF examination and linking to the previous UPSC prelims question and the current affairs. Guys, let us start. So guys, you can see here UPSC has been focusing on a theme called cyber security. You can see this question which came in 2017. Cyber security in India legally mandatory for which of the following to report the cyber security incidents. Again, you can see 2018 WannaCry, Petya, and Eternal Blue. Sometimes in news are related to what? So, cyber security is an important theme in UPSC prelims examination. Multiple questions in front of you have already come. In the last 1 year, there is a lot of news about cyber security, and therefore in 2026 recently conducted CISF examination, you can see they asked this question. They have given a kind of paragraph, and then they have asked which kind of cyber attack it is. So these are all cyber attacks, guys. Man in the middle attack, denial of service attack, SQL injection, key logging. Let us read the question, guys. In the context of computers, which one of the following correctly describes the type of attack in which the attack floods the network with excessive traffic? This is basically denial of service attack, which is option B is the correct answer. Why this is very important, let me explain you. Guys, in 2025, there was a DDoS cyber attack in Karnataka Kaveri portal. Guys, Karnataka Kaveri portal is very, very important. If you are from Karnataka, you will be understanding what is the importance of Kaveri portal. And in 2025, there was a DDoS attack which was reported in the Hindu newspaper. Therefore, what I have done is that I have prepared an Optima flashcard about all types of cyber attack. You can see here man in the middle attack. What we have to do, see, generally what people will do, they will only prepare one, okay, DDoS attack. But no, you have to prepare all the options. You have to prepare all the options. So I have collected all the cyber attacks in one Optima flashcard. You can see man in the middle attack, an attack where hacker secretly intercepts and possibly communicate between two parties. Next, denial of service attack, an attack that overwhelms the system or network with excessive traffic, making the system unavailable for the user. And what is DDoS attack? DDoS attack basically means when they uses multiple botnets, when they use multiple compromised computers, it is called DDoS. So one is denial of service DOS attack, and one is DDoS attack, distributed denial of service. Okay, where they are using multiple compromised systems. Okay, which are called botnets. Next is SQL injection. SQL injection is a cyber attack where malicious SQL queries are inserted in input fields to access or manipulate a database. Then there is key logging where they will record the keystrokes. Next is phishing where they will send you kind of mail and they will ask you to reveal your password and etc. Next, the brute force attack repeatedly trying to know your password. Next is 0 day attack, exploiting the unknown vulnerabilities before they are patched. Next is Trojan horse, malicious program disguised as legitimate software. Next is worm, self-replicating malware that spreads across network. And last is ransomware, where they will demand for payments for restoring the access. So guys, I feel there will be one question from these attacks. Please do prepare these attacks. Guys, I have prepared such flashcards and I'm going to release these flashcards in as per this schedule in our Optima program. Guys, these flashcards will help you revise important stuff before the examination. In the last 1 month, you cannot read everything. So better is focus on such intelligent flashcards. This is going to boost your marks like anything. You can contact our team. This is the number of our team if you want such kind of flashcards. Thank you guys. Please do consider giving a like to this video if you think the manner in which I did this PYQ analysis, it helped you to understand the emerging theme of the prelims examination. Do consider support this channel.